Sir, I rise to draw the attention of the government to a very neglected subject, a subject uncared for but very important from national point of view, and that is regarding war memorials scattered throughout the country. Those were memorials which were created are a permanent source of inspiration for future generations in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country, of the war heroes who sacrificed their lives at the altar of the motherland. It was in the fitness of things that the people of this country and the government created war memorials. If they were not created, it was all right, because those who are dead and gone would never ask for them. But the memorials have been created. They should be properly looked after. There are so many war memorials which are not looked after, which are not repaired. They are in such a poor condition that instead of drawing inspiration from them, the people practically walk away from there. I am not talking about the conditions of those war memorials created by the Defense Ministry and maintained by the Defense Ministry, but at these other war memorials there are no guides, etc. At least maintenance of these memorials should be taken care of by the government. I do not know whether the education ministry looks after them or the defense ministry looks after them. Wherever memorials are created by defense personnel or defense ministry, they are looked after, but certain memorials are not looked after. Recently, during my visit to Manipur, I had gone to Maurang to pay my homage and respect to the memory of the late Netaji Subhash Bose. Maurang is some 40 kilometers away from Burma border in our area in Manipur state, where the first national flag was hoisted by Azad Hind Fauj under the leadership of Captain. That was the first Indian flag hoisted on Indian soil. When I visited that memorial, I saw that the statue of Netaji Subhash Bose was inaugurated by the late President V. V. Giri in 1965, and a war memorial which was created in Burma. It was afterwards demolished by somebody and was brought here by our government, and the foundation stone was laid by the present Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi in 1969. The first national flag hoisted by Azad Hind Fauj was on 14th April 1944 at Mourang, and that is a permanent memorial. It is not a memorial of other types. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for getting new and latest videos on this topic. Thank you.